long time since we've seen a thunderstorm, huh, Lassie? Isn't there an easier way?
Well, hey, what can you do? This is the way he went.
Harvey! Huh?
Stand back. I'm gonna get a picture of him.
Did you just say stand back?
Zoe? Shh. Wow. Zoe! What'd you do that for? You guys so don't get bird watching.
Come on, let's go find your bird. Don't you think it was funny, Lassie?
Yeah, it was real funny, Zoe.
Ah, there he is.
No jokes this time, seriously.
No jokes, I promise.
Zoe!
Harvey, come see.
What happened to the lake?
It's gone, dried up.
But it poured last night.
I know, it doesn't make any sense. Look at the animals, they're already thirsty. Don't worry, Lassie. We'll go warn Mom and Dad right away.
That storm was pretty bad last night.
Mom! Dad! Something terrible's happening!
Is this about the water?
How'd you know?
Tourists have been coming in all morning. All the creeks on the west side of the park are running dry.
Look at the deer!
I was afraid that would happen. Animals are going to come out of the high country looking for water.
But the river's still flowing.
It's coming off the other ridge.
Hi, Lassie.
Hello, Biff.
What's wrong?
Something's happened to the water up at Diamond Creek.
Are we running out of water?
Don't worry, Biff. We're going to figure this out.
Okay, I won't worry. But I'm thirsty. How can I not worry? Oh, Houdini'll know what to do. Lassie said there was no water in the lake? Yes.
Is there still water in the river?
Sure, I was just there.
Right. We've got to get some before it dries up, too. Come on. Grab anything that will hold water. Come on, come on, come on, come on!
I'll take the kids with me. We'll hike up the Thunder River Valley to the upper lakes and Loon Creek. You two head up to Chamberlain Basin and see if they're having the same problems. We'll rendezvous in the meadows above Loon Creek.
Okay, all the gear is loaded.
All right, be safe, and we'll see you at the top. Hopefully with some answers.
This way, quickly! We've got to get water out of the river while it's still flowing.
The river looks okay.
Sure it does. That's always how these things start. Any second, poof, it'll be as dry as a bone.
But we'll still have water to drink.
Are you kidding? We're not gonna drink it. We're gonna trade it for cookies and gallons of ice cream. Wait! What?
He's looting. That looks like fun.
It's not! I can't swim! Help me!
We better help him. He could drown before he dies of thirst.
The Thunder River isn't making much noise.
So it must be drying up too.
Something must be wrong upstream.
Or in the cavern. Problem could be in there.
Are we going in?
No. It's too dangerous for you guys. I'll go. You guys hike up the creek and meet me at Dogwood Cave. I can climb out there.
Look, the animals are looking for water.
But if water's coming out there, why is there no water in the creek?
There is. It's just a few feet down. It's soaked into the ground where the animals can't get to it.
She dug him a well. That's a girl. You're the best. Thank you, Lassie.
I better go. See you at the top.
Okay, we'll be waiting.
Help! Help! Save me! Toss me a rope! A life preserver! A ladder! A stool! Something! Help!
Don't panic, Houdini. We're gonna get you. With what?
You have a rope?
No, do you?
Why should I have a rope? I'm a bird.
Of course. So you wouldn't have a rope, but a raccoon would? I wish Lassie was here.
Guys! Guys! You want to do something? Please?
Hold on, buddy. We're coming. Ah!
Why do you do that?
I wanted to help you.
How is this helping? Guys! Help! Help! Look! I've got an idea!
Huh?
Ta-da!
Do you always keep food in your cheeks?
Don't you? Here, Ducky Lucky! Delicious corn! Huh?
Huh?
Come on! Whoa! Bad idea! I don't believe this!
Was this what you were planning?
Yes! No! I don't know! Just hold on!
This is getting bad.
It already is bad.
Lassie can't dig holes in the creek for every animal that passes us.
Don't worry, Zoe. We'll figure it out.
I hope so. What is it, Lassie? It's all right, girl. She's just thirsty. Let's just keep moving.
Wow. We better work this out before the valley's filled with wolves.
You got that right. She's found something. Come on.
Look! think Lassie has seen something.
Come on. Oh no! Is that someone's idea of a joke?
Nope, it's just nature. Look at the mud. It all came down Greyhound Creek. Last night's storm must have blown it out.
What do we do?
Well, when the water gets high enough, it'll slowly begin to erode the mud.
How long will that take?
Too long. But I think the other rangers packed some dynamite. They'll be able to blast it all away.
That'll speed things up. Let's go tell Dad. Come on.
I guess it's all clear down here. I'd better get up there and meet the kids. Whoa!
Where's your dad?
I don't know. Dad! Maybe he got tired of waiting for us.
He didn't go up the trail. We would have seen him.
Then he must be down the trail. Come on! Something's wrong. What is it, girl? What's going on?
I think your dad's still in the tunnel.
Show us, Lassie. We'll follow you. That way!
Hello, Lassie. You found me.
Dad!
Hello.
Are you all right?
I was dumb. I stood too close to the edge and the rocks gave out under me. I'm pinned in here pretty good.
Where's your walkie-talkie?
It wasn't as lucky as I was.
Oh no! What do we do?
The rangers are headed to the meadows above Loon Creek. We can meet them on the ridge.
But what about Dad?
Don't worry about me. I'm not going anywhere.
Okay, if you're sure. We'll be right back.
Really get it in there.
Pass me the rest of the dynamite.
I can't see them. They should be over there. Where have they gone?
There! Looks like they found the dam. They're digging around it.
Digging around? You don't think...
Oh no! They're trying to blow up the dam.
They don't know your dad is trapped. If they blow the dam, the cavern will flood real quick.
Dad!
You and Lassie try to get your dad out. I'll warn the rangers.
Okay, hurry!
I will, but get him out of there, just in case.
Come on, Lassie. Let's go save Dad.
Oh no, quick!
What is it, girl? Lassie! Brilliant! We can use it to pry
Zoe, I heard the explosion. I know what's going on. Zoe, what a... Until we know it's safe, you shouldn't be here.
Harvey's warning the Rangers. We'll be fine. Almost got it!
Barely put a dent in it.
We put everything we've got right there. It should do the trick.
Let's do it.
Oh no! Hey! No! Stop! I gotta get closer. Whoa! Oh. Ow, ow, ow. Man. Oh. Now what? Hey! Hey! Can you guys hear me? Don't blow up the dam! Yeah, like that's gonna work. They can't hear me. But I bet Lassie can. Lassie! Lassie! Lassie!
Lassie!
You should go too.
And leave you? No way! I bet that's why Lassie went. She's gonna take care of things.
It moved. I felt it. Zoe, you're doing it. Keep pushing. Come on, honey. We almost got it. Come on, honey.
And now what? Go, Lassie! You can stop them before it's too late! Go, go! Fire in the hole! No! Don't blow up the dam! Fire in the hole!
Come on.
Huh?
Huh? It's Lassie. She pulled the wires.
She wouldn't do that for no reason. Somebody must be in trouble.
Come on, girls. Let's go. We're right behind you.
Lassie!
Hold on, we're coming.
What's all the yelling about?
You did it! You saved your dad!
Nope. Lassie did. I just got him out from under that rock.
Now, if nobody is stuck anywhere else, we've got a dam to blow.
moment too soon.
Hey, guys! Are you okay? You know what? I'm not thirsty anymore.
Yeah, I think that's enough water for one day.
I feel better already.
You did it. You guys saved the valley.
Maybe we did.
But only because Lassie saved us. Thank you, girl.
You really are something, Lassie. You know that?